Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at the use of dictionaries and how we can make good use of them. I'm sure you've all used dictionaries at one point, but you might think the topic is a little boring. Maybe my teacher couldn't possibly pick a more boring subject than dictionaries. However, since we always have questions about something, we're always asking ourselves questions about text or about what a word means and this type of thing. These are things that we need to know how to use and we need to know where to find them. So we're going to take a look at several sources today, which all of them are online. Okay, so we're going to look at 4 dictionaries. One is the Merriam-Webster, which is a general all-purpose sort of dictionary. Then we're going to look at Oxford collocations, where if we put in a word, it's going to tell us what other words we're going to find this word with commonly. English idioms, if we find this word in some English idioms. And the last one is a graphical dictionary, where we're going to see how the word is related to other words. All right, so we'll start with the Merriam-Webster. Okay, here we have the Merriam-Webster dictionary. You'll notice that we can use, within the Merriam-Webster, there's 4 options. We can use it as a dictionary, we can use it as a thesaurus, we can use the Spanish English, or we can use it, if we're doctors, the medical part. Now we're just going to use the normal one, which is the dictionary. Thesaurus, if we're looking some word up and we use the thesaurus, it's going to tell us what other words are similar in meaning to the one we're looking for. But let's start using the dictionary here, and we'll put in keep, and then we'll search that. Okay, so it comes up in this small box at the beginning. It says keep as a verb, keep as a noun, keep away, which is a compound noun, keep down, okay, this is a phrasal verb, keep up is a verb, okay, a phrasal verb. So we look here and we can hear the pronunciation if we like. We click on this, a window comes up. If we didn't hear it, we click keep comes up, okay? Close that window. Come down here and it comes up, it tells us a little bit about where the word comes from, that it's a verb, the first meaning here, to fulfill, to preserve, to maintain. You'll see the main meanings in capital letters here. You also have, it also means to preserve food, for example, like cheese keeps well in the refrigerator, for example. And we come up with all of the different ones here. We also have, as an intransitive verb, live, to lodge, okay, in British English. And if we go back up, we get keep as a noun, and it'll talk about custody charge as an archaic meaning, a fortress or a castle. Okay, it also refers to a prison or jail, a keeper, someone who keeps, something else. Keep also has the meaning of what it costs to your keep, for example. You have to earn your keep means you have to provide enough money for your maintenance, for example. Let's go back to the keep as a verb for just a minute. Go down quickly, and we have all of these other meanings. Okay, keep an eye on, keep at as a phrasal verb, keep company, keep house, keep one's distance, keep one's eyes open, keep one's hands in, etc. So we're finding all of these different ones. Then we have synonyms. We have these that are coming up as synonyms here on the bottom. All right, so we're going to go on to the next source right now. Okay, here is our dictionary on collocations. So we'll just put in keep here, And we'll do a search there quickly and see what this comes up with. All right, it comes up with keep as a noun. It's time you did a job to earn your keep, verb plus keep, okay? And keep as a verb. Milk and cream should keep quite well in a fridge. So these are the two that are coming up here. There are other collocation dictionaries on the web, but this is a readily available one. All right, so we'll go on to the third one on our list, which is on idioms. Okay, this is the third reference on our list. This is a site for English idioms and idiomatic expressions. We're going to put in keep here and see what we come up with. All right. So you're going to see several different ones here. All of these idioms use keep. Now we have 37 results, which is, quite a few. So you might find keep when you're reading in some expression. You say, well, I don't know what that means. And you can look it up here as an idiom. So here we have keep mum, to be quiet about something, to keep posted. You're waiting for news about something else. Keep in touch is when you keep in communication with someone. For example, keep your head is to stay calm. Okay. Keep your hair on is the same thing as keep your head. We can look at some other ones here. But what you can realize is there really is a lot of stuff. You're going to be able to find a lot of idioms related to the words you're reading. Keep your nose to the grindstone is that someone who works hard and seriously. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. It means if you eat an apple, you will be healthy. Okay? This I hadn't heard of. Why keep a dog and bark yourself? There's no need to do something yourself when you have someone else to do it for you. Interesting. All right? So that's the idiom dictionary, and we'll take a look at the last one, which is Visu Words. Okay, this is the last source we're going to look at. This is called Visu Words. It's a graphical dictionary, and what you'll notice here is that when you put in a word, the word is going to be at the middle, and that middle is sort of a nucleus, okay? We have colors here to tell us what part of speech this is. So keep here is green, so that means it's a verb, okay? And as we can go further away from the nucleus, we're going to get different meanings. For example, if we move this over, we can move this over with our mouse. Here we have keep as a dungeon or a jail, which we saw earlier, okay? Stronghold, fastness, okay? All of these are related to sort of the prison concept. The ones in green are verbs. Over here we have support, keep, livelihood, bread and butter, all referring to money, okay, in terms of keep. Of course, here we have, again, hold, relating to a jail cell, okay. This is blue, so this is a noun. And of course, related to a hold, we're going to restrain or confine someone in a hold. Okay, so we go up here. We can also, this is another meaning over here. Within verbs, observe, keep, maintain. Okay, to keep count, for example, to keep track, which are, all of those are also phrasal verbs. And then, of course, further away from the nucleus, we have the nouns. So it's an interesting way to look at a verb, at a word, pardon me, because you can see what are the things it's related to. So I hope this has been helpful to see some different ways of researching a word. You don't have to do this, obviously, every time you do it, but it's going to depend on what your purpose is for finding the meaning of the word. Okay? Thanks a lot. Bye.